Good morning, all of you. Myself, Deepak Negi, and thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I am excited to discuss my internship experience and what I have gained during my time here at FabTech Private Limited. It's been a great opportunity, and I have gained a lot of knowledge in Android development. Throughout this internship, I have worked on several key products, including music app, an AI integrated app, a note application, and many more. Each of these projects has helped me deepen my understanding of Android development concepts, best practices, and tools. One of the most valuable aspects of this internship has been the chance to improve my technical and soft skills, such as working in a team, designing an app from the scratch, handling clients and ideas, and so on. I am very grateful for the chance to work with FabTech Private Limited. This experience has not only helped me grow as a developer, but has also given me a better environment for learning professional ethics and behavior required to work at a company. So I'm very thankful for FabTech to providing me such an environment and opportunity. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Shubham. So recently I joined FabTech IT Solution as an intern and I had a great experience while working here. Basically, I had learned how to manage project and I learned soft skills and technical skills also. Due to the good working environment, I was able to upgrade my skills to another level. So I would like to thank FabTech IT Solution for this opportunity.
Good morning everyone, my name is Akhilesh Negi. First of all, thank you for having me in this video to share my experience about working with this company as an intern. So I recently completed my intern on Android development from FabTech IT Solution and I really had a very great time to work as an intern. I have worked on different projects and I gained a lot of knowledge about Android development. The main thing that I loved about this company is the working environment. It provides a very friendly working environment. It feels like that you are working in your own home. Here I found different mates who are always there to help you out if you are stuck in any kind of situation. So it's really a very good experience. So I am thankful to the CEO of this company to give us this opportunity to be the part of this prestigious company, FabTech IT Solution. So I would suggest you to grab this opportunity and be the part of FabTech.